we ran across this guy down in Laughlin. Is that where you're from?
Bullhead.
Bullhead City.
Same area.
And he works at
O'Reilly's?
O'Reilly's. And he came all the way out here. How far is that? That's 26 miles or so?
Yeah.
Just to fix this guy's car right there that mice got to, which that happens.
It's quite common here.
Yeah, quite common here. That and snakes and all kinds of other things. But you want to say anything? How can they get a hold of you if they need help?
You can always look me up on Facebook, Shay McLuhan, MCLUEN. You can always get a hold of me, just send me a message, and then we can go from there, see what we can do. Definitely ain't worried about traveling, but we can always see what we, can take care of you guys.
Yep, and you did a good job on this guy's car. Of course, you haven't started it
I'm
yet.
a happy camper.
Yeah, you haven't started it yet. It may not start.
No, I started.
Did you start it? Okay, you did good.
Runs
You
like
did
a
good.
top.
So anyway, guys, it's a short little video, but some of you guys have RV problems. This is the guy you want to call, because not many people will take care of you, and this guy did. He ordered in a part too, didn't you?
Yes, I did. Right.
And
Ordered
Ready
the part.
to go.
And installed it.
Delivered it and installed it. You can't get better than that. Only cost $10,000. What is his price? Something like that.
No, it was very reasonable.
Very reasonable.
Yeah.
Well, thanks, guys. Hey, keep this in mind if you're in Bullhead City or anywhere around it. I'm going to throw this on here, and once again, your
Have
Facebook.
a great day, guys.
What's your Facebook again?
Shay McLuhan, SHAYMCLUEN.
All right.
Let me know.
Check him out, guys. Thanks.